Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, open settings, then go to the security section, fingerprint sensor, manage fingerprints. Next, here you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN, password. Let's select PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN, confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. I don't want to see any notifications. And what you have to do next is to touch fingerprint sensor, which is located over here on the back of your phone. And you just have to touch it with your finger several times for it to remember your fingerprint. And that's it. Fingerprint aided. Now you can, for example, unlock your phone with your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.